Hi there, this is Christine, demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and we're making our second alternate project for the November Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is a card that I designed to make in my class. So in your class kit, you'll have a Crumbcake card base, which is 8.5 by 5.5 and scored at 4 1/4. And then we've got the Frayed Ribbon, which is just gorgeous. I wish they could make like real life-size scarves out of it, but anyway. This is Shaded Spruce, a layer of that. Then we've got a layer of Crumbcake. We've got a scalloped Shaded Spruce piece, which I die cut with the circles dies, layering circles. And this other circle is die cut with the Stylish Shapes dies circle. And this is the card we're making. So let's get to it. So I love the stamp set with this kit. We're going to start with our ho ho ho. Now, of course, you got an ink spot in your kit. Cherry Cobbler this month. I'm going to use my Cherry Cobbler stamp pad just because I like it. And we're going to stamp along. So I'm going to try to keep my head out of the frame. But we're just stamping across. And then, because I wanted to be staggered, so I'm actually starting the next line with the O's. I'm trying to go in a fairly straight line. I don't think I'm achieving that right now. Normally I would have my head over my project, but right now I'm a little at a weird angle. That's okay. It's gonna look good either way. Oops. And one more. There we go. So that's our ho ho ho. Then we've got this stamp, which I love, Express Delivery North Pole. And we're going to stamp that on the Crumbcake piece die cut. Now this stamp, if you haven't used it yet, stamp it on scrap, clean it off real good, and stamp again. I did find that the deer is, okay, I'm going to try to stay on camera, but I need to get over top of this to center it. The deer, it took a little while for the ink to really want to stick to it. All right, hopefully this is centered. It is. All right, so that's pretty much the stamping for this one, though I did stamp inside. The Merry Christmas is from the October kit, and then I've used the candy cane from this month's kit to do the candy cane and the card. So let's finish assembling the card. I'm going to put away the ink. I love the Crumbcake with the Cherry Cobbler and then the green. Like, I just find it looks really nice and traditional. So we have these two pieces. I'm going to use dimensionals to put that together. If you have regular size ones handy, you don't need as many. Not that 4 is that many, but you know. We got the mini ones with this kit. So I'm just going to center this on top of the scallop piece. There we go. Then I'm going to fold my card base in half. And I'm going to use my bone folder to make that nice and crisp. Then I'm just using regular glue, my liquid glue, to put my layers down. And attempt to center that. Then we've got our ho, ho, ho. And you'll want to check your orientation before you stick that one down, just to make sure you're starting with H's and not O's if you went off like I did. Could be a very enthusiastic card. All right, now we've got this gorgeous ribbon. So to get that, to do this kind of ribbon kind of effect, what I find easiest to do is to put a little bit of double-sided tape or glue dots work well for this. And that way it's going to stick to itself and make my life a little easier. Now, if you're using, it's not going to want to naturally stick to the fibers, so I'm just pressing it in so that it does. There we go. Now, once you're happy with your fold, you can do that. Yeah, we want to adhere it, actually kind of like this side better, so I'm going to put some adhesive on it. Again, I'd recommend glue dots or double-sided tape like this. If you use liquid glue, and I haven't tried it with this ribbon, but I suspect it would kind of just soak into the ribbon. Maybe in a really long time it would finally dry, but you're better off with something like this. All right, so now you're going to position that. I like going a little bit off center. So that's down. Now, because this is a thicker ribbon, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a glue dot, not glue dot, dimensional on either side, and it's going to stick up a little bit. So this should do it. And there we go. Isn't that cute? So that is our card that I designed to go with the kit this month. And if you have any questions about the January kit, it is, actually it's the December kit. We're going to receive it in January. It is gift card holders for all occasions. So it'll have a stamp set as well, and an ink spot, and gift card holders. So not cards, but smaller packaging. So if you're interested in that one, please let me know and I'll make sure you get one. And thanks for watching.